We're at Public Metals Corp getting some steel. Today we're going to be measuring, designing, and planning the rear engine cage. So a lot of cutting. And a little bit more cutting. And a little bit of grinding. We cut the engine cage off. We're gonna build an entirely new engine cage for the back of the car. Something that fits the engine a little better and is a little bit stronger. A lot of measuring. A lot of welding. So it has been a long day, but we have an engine cradle. Not the entire thing yet. There's gonna be some upper bars up here. Pretty happy to at least get this part in, and it's strong. I could pick up the car with it, so that'll work. The engine's gonna sit in the middle there, and we're gonna have some bars come off the top here. Suspension pickup points. We're making progress. All right, so I'm working on the upper engine hoop. It's gonna go about there. There's going to be a bolt in so that we can get the engine back out. So I made these little brackets out of 1-inch square. They're going to get welded on. We have a complete rear end of the car. Not fully complete yet, but the engine cradle there and the upper, we're going to call that the subframe. It's going to bolt in 6 points where it meets the car. We wanted it bolt in, at least the top portion of it, so that it can come back out if we have to pull the engine out. Next step is we're gonna put the engine in, measure up the mounts, and then burn the mounts in. But we're moving right along here.